This is a 1,700 square foot ranch style single family that was built in 1964. It's a 4-bedroom with 2 full baths. There's a pocket door that leads from the dining room back into the kitchen, and I'm pretty sure it's broken. There's half-inch drywall on the walls and ceilings with some sort of unidentifiable texture. The doors are hollow core with metal jambs and casings. This house retains a lot of its 1964 originality, but not in a good way. 12mm laminate is on the floors and ceramic tile in the kitchen and bathrooms. The kitchen has painted wood cabinets, tile countertops, and a crying baby. Why the tears, baby? No need to cry, baby. I just spotted this dream catcher. Cast all your house dreams into this, and away we'll go. The first order of business is to open up the floor plan. The kitchen, living room, and dining rooms all need to be one large space. 3 walls will have to be removed. The walls have electrical in them, so a bit of rewiring will be in order. There's outlets and switches and a doorbell that needs some relocation. Once the walls are gone, we're going to do some reframing to better suit the new floor plan. New drywall will be installed over our framing. I'll show you step by step how to blend your new drywall into the old like nothing ever happened. All the existing drywall is pretty heavily damaged, and it has about 13 different textures on it. All of that will be eliminated with a skim coat of the entire house. Everything gets sanded smooth, and the walls and ceilings are transformed for very little money. Now we're ready to prime and paint. I'm going to show you different options you have for applying paint, what works the best, and what's a complete waste of time. The backyard was in really bad shape, so it needed a makeover. I hired a crew to put in artificial turf, do some brick repair, put in drains, and add some drip irrigation. 400 square feet of tile had to come up. Some of it came up easy, and some of it came up the hard way. The kitchen gets torn out in 2 parts. I first tear out all the upper cabinets, and I leave the lowers. That's because I need a sink and a cooktop for as long as possible. Yep, and more skim coating and sanding. Windows were 60-year-old originals. I replaced them with retrofit windows that don't require you cutting into your stucco or siding. All of the old lighting comes out, and I replace everything with modern LEDs that are the simplest lights I have ever put in. The 2 bathrooms get all new cabinets, countertops, plumbing, ventilation it never had before, and pretty LED mirrors. Everything was purchased at Lowe's or Amazon, in-stock items, no special orders. Everything was done to save as much money as possible. This vanity cabinet, 20% off because it was damaged. This vanity top, in stock. The countertop is an in-stock laminate, and the backsplash is a simple subway tile. You'll get step-by-step instructions on how to update all your old plumbing, and maybe it won't even leak. There were some really nice built-in cabinets that were not that nice anymore, so they get fixed, repainted, and brought back to their former glory. The existing fireplace gets converted to electric. I got tired of freezing in this house, so I decided to insulate the attic with some rock wool insulation. Come on! All of the interior doors needed to be replaced, so I got some 6-panel, hollow core, pre-hung doors for the entire house. I kept the sink and cooktop for as long as I could, but they need to come out right about now. New angle stops, some drain line repairs, and we are almost in business. I waited to rip out the lower cabinets until all the replacement cabs came in. Cabinets all came straight off the shelf at Lowe's. In-stock cabinets will save you a tremendous amount of money. Countertops were all in-stock items as well. I'm using laminate and butcher block. We're going to incorporate some metal with the wood to make our island look very special. I'll show you step by step how you can install your own sink, faucet, garbage disposer, dishwasher, range, fridge, chimney vent hood, floating shelves, and everything else for your kitchen remodel. The entire house gets Pergo Wet Protect engineered wood floors. I'll show you all the tricks to get seamless floors with no transitions. We're going to take simple trim, dress it up a bit, and make it look more interesting. Everything was built with budget in mind. No sponsors, no pushing products. I just show you what I did and what works.